In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Wayfair with a photo. This is a quick, visual way to find look-alike furniture and decor when you have a picture you love and want to track down something similar on Wayfair. Start by launching the Wayfair app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load so the home screen fully appears. If you recently updated the app, you might see a brief splash screen before the main page opens. That's normal. If you're not already signed in, log in now. Being logged in helps keep your recent searches, favorites, and carts synced across devices, and it can make your results more personalized. If you prefer to continue without an account, you can, but signing in gives you a smoother experience. Next, look to the very top of the screen for the search bar. It usually sits front and center on the home page. You'll notice a small camera icon on the right side of that bar. That's what powers visual search. Tap the camera icon. If this is your first time using photo search, your device may ask for permission to access your camera or your photo library. Go ahead and allow access so the feature can work properly. You can always adjust these permissions later in your device settings, but without access, the app can't analyze a picture. Now choose how you want to search. You can take a new photo or you can upload one you already have. If you're snapping a new picture, place the item in good, even light. Fill most of the frame with the piece you care about and try to keep the background simple so the app focuses on the correct object. Hold your phone steady and capture the most defining details like the legs of a chair, the silhouette of a lamp, or the texture of a fabric. If glare or shadows appear, tilt slightly or move closer until the shape is clear. If you're uploading, tap Upload and pick a photo from your camera roll. Screenshots and images saved from places like Pinterest work well. After you select the image, some versions of the app let you crop or adjust the focus box. Drag the corners to highlight only the item you want to match. This helps the app return more accurate results. Once your photo is set, the app will show visually similar options. Give it a moment if your connection is slow. From there, you can browse the matches, open product pages for more details, and continue refining within the app until you find the perfect piece.